Welcome to 805 Rebuilds. My name's Anthony, and today we're at a Copart sublot here in Southern California. Today we're going to be looking at some vehicles. Hope you like it. Here we have a 1998 Chevy Blazer. This is another one of my bucket list cars. This is a donated vehicle that is listed as run and drive. Oh wow, tires look new. $240,659 miles. I don't see no major damage at all. Tires look new. This is an LT. I believe a 4.6 liter V6. Wow. I really like this one. This is a pure sale, so high bid gets it. Interior door panel looks good. Smells a little like they had animals. Interior's pretty clean. Dash is not cracked at all. Everything appears to be stock. Back door panel. Rear seats are in great condition. No rips, no tears. Still nice and soft. Let's see if we get the back. Yeah, I'm really liking this one. This could be a nice little grocery getter. Now, what I mean by one of my bucket list cars is I've always wanted one of these cars. Now, I'm not a flipper. My intention is to buy the car, enjoy it for a couple of months, and then sell it. If I make a profit, I make a profit. If I don't, I don't. But the money used will be go to buy another bucket list car. Alright, let's see. $240,659 miles. See if she starts. Wow, started right up. AC is on, and AC is blowing cold. Wow. Oh, there's some glasses in there. Alright. None in this one. It's idling fine. No major issues so far. Let's say she goes into gear. Yeah, she goes into gear. Goes into reverse. Windows work. Windows work. And last but not least, wow, I'm really surprised. What's this? Alright, let's check what's under the hood. Alright. Yeah, V6 Vortec. It's a little dirty under here, but these look like a newer belt. AAA battery. I'm betting this belonged to an elderly or senior person. Gonna have to keep an eye on this one. Here we have a 2002 Mercedes-Benz S430 with a 4.3 liter V8. This is a pure sale, which means no reserve. It's listed as a run and drive with front end damage. The tires, tire tread isn't too good. The chrome wheels. Paint is, or clear coat is coming off on the mirror. 129,000 miles. This car actually looks pretty clean, no major dents or scratches. There is damage to the front. It's going to need a headlight, front bumper, fender, hood. Now let's see, this wheel is slightly turned to the right. And this one's slightly turned as well. The interior door panel. Black leather seats, which I like. I love dark colored interior. I do not like beige. Back seats look in good condition. No rips, no tears. Headrests are good. Carpet is good. Headliner is good. Is that a tape player? Wow. Again with these bouncy. Is that normal for a Mercedes to have bouncy seats? And why is there vents right there? That's weird. Alright, let's see. key does not work. You can see, there we go. Alright, well, that didn't help. Let's take a look under the hood. Alright. And there it is, the V8. Everything looks good. I feel like this hood's gonna fall on me. Yeah, the shocks aren't that good. Well, here's the damage to the headlight. Easy replacement. Probably costly, but easy. Passenger side fender we need to replace. The bolt-on location looks good. Oh yeah, this isn't bad at all. Gonna have to watch this one since it is a pure sale. High bid does get it. Alright, that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching.